Siyempre guys, congratulations dito sa collab na to. Ang dami na nang huhula with December Avenue posted this. Ang daming may tama, ang daming medyo mali. Pero how did this collaboration happen?
Well, actually kasi from the previous collaborations that we did, gusto namin talagang yung ngayon is really a surprise na na hindi talaga ma-anticipate ng tao na, di ba, parang pasino, di ba? Kasi parang ang dami nilang, di ba, doon sa comment sections, ang dami nilang sinasuggest na mga names. Pero yun, nung sinulat ko kasi itong song na to, it was really intentional to become a collaboration talaga. As in, sinadya ko talaga yung collaboration song. And of course, as in, we have a list of, I mean, sobrang daming magagaling na mga artists sa atin sa OPM. And of course, we wanted to work with someone na very, accessible, humble, and at the same time, yung yung vocal prowess na hinahanap namin, yung texture dun sa song. And, ayun, di
Doon
ba?
pumasok si Mori.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mori, what was your reaction when you found out na gusto makipag-collaborate ng December Avenue with this song?
Sobrang nakakakilig po. Nakakatuwa, nakakakilig. Actually, for me naman as a fan also of December, parang ako din yung parang, I would always, when I hear Kuya Zel sing also and the band play, yung energy din po nila sobrang nakakahawa. Even as an audience member. Masabi ko parang maganda din talaga pag may parang collab sila na, I guess yung singing prowess could be in the same level as the way Kuya Zel sings also. So I'm happy po na sa sobrang daming magagaling po na singers po sa industriya namin, musicians. Ako po yung napili po nila. I'm very, very excited and grateful po.
Sa pagsasalin pwersa ng boses ni Zel at boses mo, Mori, how did the recording, how's the recording pala so far?
Oh. Actually kasi, nung binigay namin yung song kay Mori, so yung lahat ng vocal lines, ako lang muna yung kumanta para alam niya yung tono and all. Pero we gave her the freedom to express herself dun sa song. So kumaga parang, si Mori, kumaga parang hindi mo naman siya kailangan i-coach eh. So, ang very surprised nga kami talaga and na-shock kami sa recording kasi yung linis ng boses niya and all, parang, what? Parang kahit isang take, yun na yun eh. So yun. Yeah, oo. Yun na. Oo. So yeah, we gave her the total freedom kung, di ba? Kasi it's a collaboration eh, di ba? Kumbaga, it's our song, pero di ba, sinabi namin sa kayo na you can, throw in your ideas kung anong gusto mo to make the song better and let's work it out. Yeah. So, pero nangyari.
So